Today's fast paced world, it is crucial for couples to have their financial affairs in order. Here are 7 essential documents every couple should have. First, joint bank account documentation. Gather all paperwork related to your joint bank accounts, including statements, agreements, and account information. Having these documents organized simplifies managing your finances together. Ensure you have easy access to your joint bank account details for smooth financial management. Will and Testament. Drafting a will and testament is a vital for outlining how your assets will be distributed after your passing. It provides clarity and security for your partner and loved ones. Consult with a legal professional to create a will that accurately reflects your wishes and protects your partner's interests. 3. Marriage certificate. Keep a copy of your marriage certificate handy. It serves an official proof of your marital status and may be required for various legal and financial transactions. Ensure you have a certified copy of your marriage certificate readily available for any official purpose. 4. Life insurance policies. Review and maintain records of your life insurance policies. These policies provide financial protection for your partner and dependents. Regularly review your life insurance coverage to ensure it adequately meets your family's needs and financial goals. Number 5. Property documents. Gather all documents related to jointly owned property, including deeds, titles, and mortgage agreements. These documents establish ownership rights and responsibilities. 6. Tax returns. Maintain copies of your joint tax returns and related documents. These records are essential for filing taxes accurately and may be required for various financial transactions. Ensure you have copies of your tax returns and supporting documents for at least the past few years. 7. Financial statements. Keep track of your financial statements, including bank statement, investment account statement, and retirement account statements. These documents provide insight into your financial health and progress toward your goal. Regularly review your financial statements together to track your progress and make informed decisions about your finances. So here I wish all my viewers to have great Valentine Day 2024 with confidence and peace of mind. Subscribe and share this with your loved ones. Happy and prosperous future together.